Robotix is excited to showcase our new product STEM Maker Kit, an educational toy with which your child can discover scientific concepts and build and play with 3D models. Yes, it's a brand new building kit filled with real-world applications. Children ages 4 and above can build 30+ models using the detailed instructions provided. Additionally, using their own imagination, kids can make an infinite number of models, bringing their creations to life. Engage your child in a variety of self-paced hands-on STEM challenges, enabling 21st-century learning via patented plastic building bricks. The plastic parts are certified to European EN 71 and American ASTM 963 toy safety standards. Constructing STEM models promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Wrap quality play learning into magical and fun family time. So what are you waiting for? Just grab our STEM Maker Kit, and make your child future ready.